Hello, beautiful fellow yogis. Take the next 10 minutes for yourself to focus on the movement of your body and your breath. You won't need any equipment for this vinyasa flow, but feel free to grab any that you might like, and let's talk to our mats. Okay, beautiful yogi, come to the front of your mat and ground yourself in your mountain pose. Your knees are soft. You can roll your shoulders gently back as you mentally enter your sanctuary of yoga and form a private intention for your practice, closing out the outside world and focusing in on yourself, your movement, and your breath. Take a nice deep breath inhale, starting with the sun salutation. It is the base of all we do. Really feel it as you dive down to a forward fold. And let's take a few breaths here. So inhale to a flat spine. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale to a flat spine. Exhale down. One more. Inhaling to a flat spine. Bring your hands to the mat. You can bend your knees. We're going to step back or hop back to chaturanga. I'll show you a step. And you can always drop your knees if you'd like to come down. Otherwise, keep your elbows in. Lower down. And come into your upward dog. Rolling over your toes to meet me in your downward dog. Adjust this pose by bending your knees, shifting your hips a little higher, and dropping your heels. Take a breath or two here. You might choose to walk out your dog a little bit. And then just bring those knees down to the mat. We're going to do some bird dog lifts. Right arm and left arm extends. Take a breath. And bring it in. Switch sides. And release one more time. This time, test your proprioception. Reach back. Can you grab that ankle without looking at it? Give it a good stretch. And then release to all fours. Tuck your toes. Come up into your down dog. And walk it forward to the front of your mat. You can also choose to hop. Surrender to your forward fold before softening the knees. Rounding it up. Look up, palms touch. Returning to heart center. Flowing through that sun salutation again to our next pose. Inhaling up. Exhale, surrender, forward fold. Inhale to your flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back through your plank to chaturanga, however you wish to get there. Going through your up dog and meeting me in your down dog. Take a breath or two here. And then go ahead and inhale that right leg up. Bring it on through, planting it right between your palms. Take a second to pivot your back foot. Cartwheel yourself up. And we're going to come right into a side angle. So you can be here. You can choose to put the arm down my side. You can try a bind. Really try to open up through the shoulders here. Look up if you can, if the sun's not in your eyes. And then come out of this one. Opening up the slow lunge, reach, reach, reach. And step back and flow through your vinyasa. Inhaling the up dog. Exhale, meet me in down dog. If you'd like to try a hop, you lift on your toes. You bend your knees. Spring it forward to the front of your mat. Surrender, forward fold before softening the knees. Rounding up. Look up, palms touch. Meet me, heart center. Last little segment here. Inhaling up. Really feel it as you bend forward. Inhale to that flat spine. Exhale, step or hop. Inhaling up dog. Exhale, meet me in down dog. Pausing here, catch up if you need to. That right leg lifts up one more time. Bring it on through. And come come into a little tripod here. If you'd like to try a balance, go for it. If you'd like to keep your hands down in a tripod, that's okay too. Release this, surrender to your forward fold. And then soften those knees, come rounding up. And exhale to heart center. Pause here for a breath. We're gonna get that all on the other side. But take a breath here, check in with that side of your body. Maybe compare how the two sides feel. And let's begin with a deep inhale up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to your flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back through chaturanga. Into your cobra or up dog. And meeting me in your down dog. Stay here for a second, adjust if you need to. Really feel the opening of that entire posterior chain before bringing those knees down to the mat for that bird dog. So lift up one leg, the opposite arm, starting on the left this time, and then switch. And then last breath, switch one more time. This time test your proprioception. Can you find that ankle? Give it a good stretch. For bringing it back down, coming to all fours, tucking your toes, pressing up to your downward facing dog for a breath. And then you can walk it forward or lift on your toes, bend your knees. Come forward to a flat spine before softening the knees, surrendering. Rounding up, look up. Hands to heart center. Moving on. Deep inhale here. Exhale, surrender, forward fold. Inhale, flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back through your up dog. Meeting me in your down dog. Pause here and catch up if you need to. This time it's your left leg that lifts up. Bring it on through, planting it right between the palms. Back leg pivots to 45 degrees. We're gonna come up and go right into that side angle. You can be supporting on the thigh. You can take it down to the earth. You can try a bind. Take a moment here, really feel the opening. And then come down to your low lunge. Open up this low lunge before stepping back and flowing through your Vinyasa. Meeting me in your down dog. Pause here, breathe. And when you're ready, walk it forward or lift and hop. Flat spine first before surrendering. Soft knees as you come rounding up. One last little section here. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat spine. Exhale, step or hop through your up dog. Meeting me in your down dog. Your left leg lifts up one more time, bringing it through for that balance. Find a good spot, become a tripod. If you want to try a balance, go for it. And then just bring that foot down, surrender, forward fold. Come rounding up. Meet me mindfully in heart center. And just take a second to check in with yourself. How are you feeling now versus when you started? You can always take a few mindful moments to adjust your mood and mindset. So let's take a deep breath, inhale, and seal our practice by tapping our foreheads to remind us to be mindful of our thoughts, our lips to be mindful of our speech, and our hearts in gratitude for our practice. We Only in Sedona Yoga are always grateful for you. Please check out the description of this video. It has our website information, our 1-800 number. Get in touch with us if you're coming to Sedona or you're looking for virtual yoga instruction. Thanks and bye.